Alright, so this video is going to show you how to replace the heater on the all-in-one cup press. So the heater size will be stickered there. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your press. I think I'm going to turn this so you guys can see the side profile of this. You're going to want to make sure that your cord is lined up on the same side as the suction cup there. Your cord's plug in down here. So that's your cord's plug in. So you want to make sure that your cord is on that side. The press here, this is the original all-in-one cup press, and its cord plug-in is on the same side as the on and off switch. So we're going to make sure that it is on our right side. We'll squeeze the heater together, lining it up with this side of the press first, pulling it back and closing your press. You will want to wear gloves so you don't scratch or cut yourself. The heater is a little sharp. I'm just using my heat resistant gloves, and it protects me, so should do the same for you. You'll want to tuck that in there, and next we will start putting our screws back into the machine. You'll want to put them on the top of the machine. Let's get this down a little bit. Now that this is on, I'm going to go ahead and take off one of these so it's easier for me to screw them in. It's a little tricky to line them up and get them started. You don't want to screw them down all the way until you have all of them in. I find it best if you do the two corners diagonal from each other first. So I do the left side top and then the right side bottom. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the back middle. And this corner. Like I said, it can be a little difficult at first to get them lined up, but then it's pretty easy after that. Oh, Bob. Okay, go put it over there. Alright. Then I like to put the glove back on just to have that extra traction. To be able to, that extra grip, I should say, not traction. Alright. And there you have it. So the last step we'll want to do is make sure all these are screwed down all the way. This last one's being a little difficult. I might have to get pliers and okay. We're gonna flip our machine upside down and plug it in. Again, our plug-in is there, so you'll just line them up, plug it in, and screw it in. All right, and you'll flip your machine over. and plug it in and make sure it works. And plug it in and then plug your power cord in. And open your press before you turn it on. I hope this video helps. If you guys want to check out an all-in-one cup press, if you're interested in buying one, check out the link below, mattcraftsllc.com. Use TikTok, YouTube to save 10% at checkout. Thanks for watching.